Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let's talk about something many pet owners struggle with but don't always recognize immediately. It's the separation anxiety. Let me ask you, what does your pet do when you leave? Bark, howl continuously, scratch doors, or destroy the things? Pace around or seem restless? Follow you everywhere before you leave? If yes, this isn't bad behavior, this is anxiety. So, step one is understand what your pet feels. When you leave, your pet may feel, I'm alone and I don't feel safe, especially for dogs. You are their comfort, you are their routine, you are their pack. So, when you suddenly disappear, it creates stress. Avoid emotional goodbyes. This is a mistake many people make. Bye, baby, I'll miss you. Some extra hugs, excitement. This actually increases anxiety. So the fix is keep departures calm and neutral. Make it feel like it's a no big deal, just leave. Next is start with small separations. Don't jump to long absences. Begin with 2 minutes, then 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. Come back calmly, repeat daily. Just make it sure that it's not a big deal for the dog and not for you. This builds tolerance gradually. Next is creating a safe environment. Before leaving, make your pet feel secure. Include their bed or crate, favorite toys, something with your scent. Familiarity reduces stress. Your dog or your pet should feel more comfortable. Next is use positive associations. Here's a powerful trick. Give a special treat or toy only when you leave. Now your pet starts thinking, when you leave, something good happens. Practice fake departures. This works really well. Do your usual leaving routine, pick keys, wear shoes, open door, but don't leave. Repeat this multiple times. Now your pet stops associating this signal with anxiety. Build independence. If your pet follows you everywhere, gently create small boundaries. Example, close the door for a short time. Encourage them to stay in their space. This teaches them that I can be okay without constant contact. What not to do. Don't punish anxious behavior. Don't suddenly leave for long hours. Don't ignore early signs. Anxiety needs patience, not force. As usual, a quick exercise for you. Today, try this. Leave for just 2 to 5 minutes. Before leaving, stay calm. Leave a toy or a treat. When you return, stay calm again. Repeat daily and watch the change over time. And here's something powerful. Your goal is not to stop behavior. Your goal is to make your pet feel safe alone. Because when they feel safe, the anxiety fades naturally. And in the next lecture, we'll handle another common issue, destructive behavior, which is chewing, scratching, etc. So take it step by step, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next lecture.